Let's make an Indian chicken curry. This is a great curry to start your journey into cooking Indian food. Pan on the stove, heat up some ghee, season the pan with salt and pepper in the shape of the chicken breast and then lay the breast skin side down on the seasoned part of the pan. Now season the other side with salt and pepper as well. After about a minute or two, flip that breast over and now you'll see the most amazing golden brown crust. Just let that cook on the other side. You can see I have an epic crust on both sides, but the inside is still raw, so I lower the heat and I add in my onions. I shift the breast to one side and the onions to the other. And now they can both cook slowly. I add a bit more ghee to the onions and let them saute and start browning, while the other side of the chicken cooks away. Once the chicken has reached the correct internal temperature, I remove it from the pan. Now back to sauteing those onions and I cook them till they have a nice amount of color. You can make them darker if you like, but this is enough for me, so I add in some ginger garlic paste. And I saute again before adding in my powdered spices. Turmeric, Kashmiri red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder and garam masala. Fry for 30 seconds or so before adding in some water, your tomato puree and salt. Bring it to a gentle boil and then cover and cook for about 6 minutes. Time to cut our chicken now that it's well rested, and I will butterfly it. And again, before anyone screams, "That is raw!" just remember that this is going to go back in the curry and finish cooking. So now I cut it lengthwise into strips, and once again look at the board. No crazy juices all over the place. Now pop that lid. You can see that we have a nice thickened curry into which I will add the chicken and give everything a good mix. Let it cook for a minute so that the sauce and the chicken can get to know one another before finishing it with some fresh coriander. Then give it a final good mix so the coriander can join the party, and then the curry is ready after another sprinkling of coriander for the photos. And that is our super easy and delicious chicken breast curry done and ready. We got a plate up now. I will serve that up with some chapati, which is a whole wheat Indian flatbread, but you can eat this however you like. But you can also eat this with my keto naan recipe. Click on the I button to get that recipe. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's taste. Hey folks, it's time to taste the chicken curry, and I've got a bit of roti to go along with it. You can also eat it with rice or a naan, no problem. So let's dig in. Get some of that chicken, make a bite out of it. That is beautifully mild, not too spicy, but so flavorful. The chicken is tender, juicy. This is good stuff. Me like. I'm going to go and eat it now. Anyway, till the next episode, cheers and keep cooking. This food has been brought to you by the wonderful people who support me on Patreon and here on the YouTube channel memberships. If you would like to join the Headbangers Kitchen community, consider subscribing to my Patreon or to the YouTube channel memberships. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. Oh yeah.